Up to version 2023, RecurDyn included a dedicated code editor called Vsta. This editor was used to create and compile macros using ProcessNet. In 2024, this option has been removed, and it's now recommended to write macros in a standard IDE like Visual Studio. To convert an existing ProcessNet Vsta project to a Visual Studio project, first back up your data, then open the CS project file in a text editor, remove line number 14, and save. Now your project can be opened in Visual Studio. When it's opened for the first time, press OK to confirm the upgrade. Once within Visual Studio, go to Project Properties and select a higher version of the .NET runtime, for instance 4.8. Then, delete the XML file attached to this application. Since all macros created by the Vsta editor contain Vsta-specific boilerplate code, it has to be removed. To do that, open the file This Application CS and find the Vsta-generated code block. Delete the whole block, but don't delete the block after it, called RecurDyn generated code. If you try compiling at this stage, you will get one final syntax error pointing to a line within the generated code block. To fix it, you need to add one line of code. The best place for it would be under Common Variables. Pause this video to write it down or copy the text from the description. This new variable is referenced in the initialize method, where we write app. In front of RecurDyn application to fix the error. Compile your code to make sure the porting was successful. Now we can run this macro in the same version of RecurDyn by going to ProcessNet General Run. Select the compiled DLL found in the bin folder, not the CS project file. To compile for a different version of RecurDyn, we have to update all ProcessNet references. For example, version 2024 uses ProcessNet version 10.2. The fastest way to do that would be to go back to the text editor and search and replace the current version number with 10.2. Visual Studio will pick up on this change automatically. Recompile and try running the macro. Instead of selecting ProcessNet Vsta Run as usual, open it using ProcessNet General Run. It should now work. Thank you and good luck in porting your project.